Lester in Copperfield has an AC question.
But he has a problem with a year-old AC system. Tom, listen to this. Lester writes, my year-old Daikin system just had its first checkup, and the tech recommends a hard start kit. And here's the meat on that. The compressor motor capacitor was down 1%, he said, and would continue to wear down, putting stress on the motor. He said to replace it with a stronger capacitor and install a hard start kit and an individual surge protector inside and out to protect our warranty, since the whole house surge suppressor isn't enough. Tom, Lester wants to know, does this sound right?
Upsell.
I'm thinking.
It's one of those free checkups. We'll come out for free.
But we won't leave for free.
we won't charge a trip charge. No, just leave it alone. If it's working, it's working. And try using a different guy, because if he would have said one little thing, like maybe the capacitor wasn't doing something, but this just went on and on. So no.
It looked like he saw some momentum in the sale and he just went crazy on it.
Daikin actually is a very good unit.
Yeah.
The largest manufacturer of air conditioning in the world is Daikin. It's a Japanese-owned company. And this time, Daikin?
Daikin, yeah.
Daikin, that's right. You're correct. And this time, it's opposite. They're building their biggest plant in the world in Houston, Texas on 290.
The largest tilt wall construction project on Earth is happening here.
So some companies are moving back.
Mm-hmm. They know where the market is. Yeah, okay. Nothing to add other than to say you can find more.
I think it's awesome.
More answers just like that and useful information.
Yeah, in Houston, Texas, the finest city in the world.
Actually, anywhere on Earth by visiting HomeShowRadio.com under the Ask Tom tab.
I wonder if they get it in space.
And absolutely. Space station. Probably watching now.